Hey everyone, the Minisforum MS-A2 represents the company's latest evolution in compact workstation computing, offering a powerful yet space-efficient mini PC tailored for creators, developers, and performance-oriented users. Following its preview at Japan IT Week Spring 2025 in Tokyo, the MS-A2 enters the scene as a direct successor to the MS-A1, which originally launched with an AMD socket AM5 motherboard. However, while the MS-A1 featured swappable desktop-class CPUs, the new MS-A2 pivoted to laptop-based APUs, marking a shift in design philosophy. At its core, the MS-A2 is built around AMD's high-end mobile processors, offering users a choice between the cutting-edge Ryzen 9995HX and the slightly older Ryzen 9 7945HX. The former is built on AMD's latest Zen 5 architecture, boasting 16 cores and integrated Radeon 610M graphics, providing excellent performance for both multi-threaded workloads and light GPU tasks. The latter, based on the Dragon range lineup, is still a heavy hitter, though benchmark comparisons show the Ryzen 9995HX offering approximately 38% better overall performance. One of the standout features of the MS-A2 is its PCIe by 16 slot. While it operates at PCIe 4.0 by 8 speeds, somewhat limiting for top-tier GPUs, it still provides significant expansion potential in a chassis of this size. This makes it a viable option for those who want to add a dedicated desktop graphics card for rendering, video editing, or even gaming. However, the use of mobile APUs rather than socketed desktop CPUs means that long-term upgradability is somewhat compromised. In terms of pricing, Minisforum has adopted a competitive strategy. The model equipped with the Ryzen 97945HX is currently priced at $639 in its bare-bones form, making it an attractive option for enthusiasts who already own compatible RAM and storage. Meanwhile, fully loaded variant with 32 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage comes in at $799. For those opting for the higher-tier Ryzen 9995HX version, there's roughly a $200 premium, reflecting its performance edge. Additionally, Minisforum is offering $30 discount for early adopters using the promo code MSA230, further enhancing the value proposition. While MS-A2 may not match the modular flexibility of its predecessor, it compensates with sheer performance and versatility, particularly for users seeking compact powerhouse with discrete GPU support. Overall, the MS-A2 is a compelling addition to Minisforum's lineup, bridging the gap between high-end laptop performance and desktop expandability in a compact form factor. It's a forward-looking machine, albeit one that trades upgrade flexibility for out-of-the-box power and design efficiency. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.